What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to change a tire on a pocket bike using common hand tools. So what you're going to do is you're going to get all your tools and you're going to get that front bolt out, like as I'm showing here. And then you're going to get that bolt out, you're going to get your tire off. And then you're going to make sure that you get the right size tire for your pocket bike. And then get that wrapping off from Amazon, most likely. And you're going to try to get the rim off of your tire. As you can see from the video, this took us a long time. We are using two flathead screwdrivers and a wrench to get that tire off, and it's going to require some strength. That's why I have my dad doing it and not me, because I would still be out there for 2 hours trying to get that tire off. Now once you're done, you're going to get your rim and make sure that the airing up spout thing is pointing out away from the rotor, the brake rotor. You're going to get it on there. Once you get it on there, you're going to fill it up to about 7 to 10 psi, as I'm showing you here in the video, but I accidentally sped it all up by accident. And you're going to try to get your pocket bike back on the way you found it.
Say hi to my cat. My beautiful cat. This is Lola. Alright, we got the pocket bike fixed and started, so I would take it for a ride. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.